प्यारे बच्चों नमस्कार। आज हम कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री के अंदर सेक्शन फार्मूले के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। आप जानते हैं लेट अस सपोज AB इज ए लाइन सेगमेंट, कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट A are x1 y1 and coordinate of B are x2 y2. Now C is a point on the line segment AB such that AC ratio CB is equal to m ratio n. AC और CB की रेशियो क्या है? m ratio n है, m ratio n. Now using section formula we have to find the coordinate of point C. What will be the coordinate of point C applying section formula? This is x and this is y. आप क्या करें, इसको उधर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और इसको इधर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। x निकालना है तो x को मल्टीप्लाई करें, y निकालना है तो y से मल्टीप्लाई करें। So now finding x of C, m into x2 plus n into x1 upon m plus n. Now we have to find y of point C. y निकालना है तो प्लीज y से मल्टीप्लाई करें। m into y2 plus n into y1 upon n plus n. So using section formula we can find the coordinate of point C when coordinate of point A and B are given. This is internal division. Later on in your class 11 you will study about external division also, but now I am teaching about internal division. AC ratio CB is m ratio n. Point A coordinate are given, point B coordinate are given. We have to find the coordinate of point C using section formula. So in this way you can find the coordinate of point C. Now I am giving you an example. Let us suppose A and B are 2 points. Coordinate of point A are 2, 3 and coordinate of point B are -4, 7. Let us suppose C is a point which divides AB internally in the ratio 2:3. It means AC ratio CB is equal to 2:3. AC यहाँ 2 पार्ट है, CB ये 3 पार्ट है. Now we have to find C using this formula. Now you can understand it. Finding C. 2 into -4 -8. 3 into 2 6 upon 2 plus 3 5. Now we will find y. 2 into 7 14. 3 into 3 9 upon 2 plus 3 5. Hence coordinate of point C are -8 plus 6 -2 upon 5. 14 plus 9 23 upon 5. So we have find it now. But these are the coordinate of point C using section formula. So this is the topic section formula. Using section formula, we can find another formula which is known as midpoint formula. Now AB is a line segment. Now C is midpoint. It means AC ratio CB will be 1:1 because C is midpoint. Coordinate of point A are x1 y1. Coordinate of point B are x2 y2. Now we have to find C, which is midpoint. Using section formula, midpoint C will be x1 plus x2 y2, y1 plus y2 y2. This is midpoint formula. This is your section formula. Let us suppose I am giving an example. AB is a line segment. Coordinate of A are -1 6. Coordinate of B are 2 and 8. Now if C is midpoint, then midpoint will be this plus this by 2, -1 plus 2 by 2, 6 plus 8 by 2. It means midpoint will be -1 plus 2, 1 by 2. 6 plus 8, 14 by 2 is 7. So this is midpoint of line segment AB. This is section formula. I hope that आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. Thank you.